All right, what we have here is FurnitureExp.VR, a brand new piece of technology that allows you to put custom models from various providers like IKEA or Wayfair into your personal room and see how the design looks combined with every single detail. Right here we have a bunch of a couple menus, not really a bunch. We can choose a lot of options from the catalog, from the general catalog, and we actually can take, for example, this sofa and put it like at the corner, or we can scroll down a bit and pick up another sofa and put it down here as well. Basically, you have a lot of options here, and you are free to position all of the furniture as you would like and see the overall result you're getting. And basically, all of this furniture is stored in a local database that's connected to our main database that's basically a combination of the models of the providers like Wayfair. But also an important feature is the recommended furniture. It basically analyzes your previous furnitures you actually put into the scene and gives you different outputs, gives you different recommendations based on that. For example, like it recommends you another sofa because apparently it doesn't seem like you liked the previous two.